How to slow down a video in Davinci Resolve. So here I have a video that I'd like to slow down. So the way that you would do this is by selecting the clip, right clicking on it, going into change clip speed. Now 100% is the default, it's the original speed of the video. So if you go 200%, you will need to shorten the video by half. And if you go 50%, you need to double the video in duration. If you go below 0, that's basically just reversing the video. So if you go minus 100%, it will play the same exact video and it will just reverse it. So let's just slow it down to 50% and let's click change. Now, as you can see here, the duration stayed the same. That's why you need to change it by yourself. Drag the video there. Yeah, there it is. And that's how to slow down a video in Davinci Resolve. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.